Well, Kevin's on his way down. I'm going to do a test ride on this bike. We're sort of up in the air about the test ride. I'm more comfortable, or I'm more experienced with rear set pegs, of which this bike has, than Kevin is, but he has ridden bikes with rear set pegs. At least we no longer have the clip-ons on the handlebars, clip-on handlebars to contend with. These are much higher flat bars, so it's not too unconventional, it's not too weird, and I think Kevin's going to do the test ride. All right, Kevin's starting the first test. Are you comfy with those rear sets? You live with that? You comfy with those rear sets?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure?
I mean, the biggest issue is just getting my boot.
That's true. Those
yeah, but I'll be fine.
size 12 clodhoppers there.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. First gear's up. Well, he made it all the way into fourth gear. So far, so good. This is the first stop at the end of the block. Don't do a tumble over, please. Nothing worse than getting your pant leg caught on a rear set. And he's made it around the corner. Well, here he comes. Good for him. He's coming down this right-hand lane. They did the center lane this morning. It's still a little squishy. So here he comes. Yeah, Norton's got a great side stand, but it's a long leather. Can you get it?
Yep.
Good man. All right.
All right. Beautiful bike. There's nothing wrong with this thing. Shifts beautifully, accelerates, up, down. Call the owner. Tell him come and get it. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Get this here. Wow, that's great. I mean, it sounds good, and then you pulled out of here. It sounded great. You made it all the way to fourth gear. Runs good, huh?
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Okay.
Nope, she's ready to go.
All right, good. I will call the owner. That's neat.
Yeah.
I mean,
This is one of the best running bikes we've had in a long time. I mean, just beautiful.
Everything about it, huh?
Yeah. Just the 850 or the 750 motor?
That's an 850.
Okay. Boy.
They pulled.
She runs like a champ.
They pull like a freight train.
Oh yeah, she's beautiful.
I tell you what, I love Triumphs. I love BSAs. You put an 850 Norton under your butt, and it's freight train city. I mean, it'll just keep pulling. You know, through all four gears.
Absolutely.
I love them. Well, Kevin just test rode the silver bike, and he says it's beautiful and ready to go. I test rode the BSA yesterday and say it's ready to go. It'll be picked up next week. I just thought I'd take one final shot of the shop and look at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 really neat British motorcycles. Isn't that cool? You know, they look so nice. Let's step over here. Beautiful Beezer. Beautiful Norton. Another beautiful Norton. Really nice little 441 Victor. I guess he's next on the lift. Another nice Norton. And then my two bikes. So I mean, that's a pretty neat stable. And it's nice to have all these very nice bikes in the shop. They're all good shape. They're all beautiful, each one in its own way. So that's all. I'm taking the rest of the day off. I have to roll the RV out and prep it for a weekend trip I'm going to do this weekend. So I gotta back it out, and this is my lady friend's RV. We're going to swap positions with the two RVs. I'll take mine outside, out front, double check tire pressures, take it up, put gas in it, and make sure that the refrigerator is running and cold. Water pump is working, hot water heater's working, all that kind of stuff, just for a weekend ride, weekend trip with friends. We're done for the day. I'm gonna go post this video. Gosh, that's a pretty view right there.